The elastic and shear modulus of an elastic material are respectively 2 into 10 power 11 Pascal and 8 into 10 power 10 Pascal. We need to find out the Poisson's ratio of the material. See here, these questions are very simple. These are like a preliminary examination. Okay, so there are only 3 equations, the entire chapter based on 3 equations. What is that? E equal to 3k into 1 minus 2 mu, E equal to 2g into 1 plus mu, and 9 by E equal to 3 by g plus 1 by k here. Okay, so E and G are given, then we need to find out the mu. So we need to use the second formula. So 20 into 10 power 10 divided by 8 into 10 power 10 into 2, okay, equal to how much? 1 plus mu. So here 20 by 16. 20 by 16 means we know how much? 5 by 4. Okay. So here it will become 5 by 4 minus 1. So 1 by 4. Then it will become 0.25. Okay. You do this without using the calculator so that it will be useful for your preliminary examination. Okay. And this is only for the 2 marks.